So come to the next question. In this question we have to say this given expression or equation is true or false, and we have to justify our answer. Say true or false and justify your answer. There are 4 equations. We have to first justify this given statement is true or false. So come to the first question. You can see the base is same and power is different. There is a no power, that means there is a 1. A to the power m into a to the power n. We have to add both power. 10 to the power 1 plus 11. 1 plus 11. What is here in this side? 100 to the power 11. So 10 to the power 11 plus 1 is 12, and here is 100 to the power 11. Both are not same. So that is why this given equation is a false. We have to write reason here. A to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Both sides are not equal, hence it is false. Now come to the next question. You can see 2 to the power 3 is greater than 5 to the power 2. We have to justify it. 2 to the power 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times. And 5 to the power 2 means 5 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 5 5s are 25. In between 8 and 25, which one is a greater? 25 is a greater. But in this question, 8 is a greater. That is wrong. So given expression is false. Why? 25 is greater than 8. Come to the third question. You can see 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2. Base is not same. If base is not same, we cannot use the first identity. And power is not same. We cannot use the fourth identity also. It cannot be further simplified. So it write as it is 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2, which is not equal to 6 to the power 5. So you have to write given equation is false. So come to the fourth sub question. 3 to the power 0 means what? 1 is equal to 100 to the power 0 means what? 1. Why? A to the power 0 is equal to 1, where a is any number. Here that a is 3. We apply this identity here. A to the power 0 is 1. A to the power 0 is 1. Both sides are equal. That means given equation. Why it is equation? There is an equal sign. That is why I use equation here. Given equation is true. So write down.